Things get crazy and stressful, I get so like, I accidentally shrunk it in the wash. Get things in order. This is my ex's. Awkward. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a closet clean out video. As you can see, I'm standing in front of my very small, very packed closet, but I recently decided, I really just needed to purge everything that I haven't been wearing in the last 6 months to a year and declutter my life. I feel like when things get crazy and stressful, I get so like, everything's a mess. I just want to declutter my life, and get things in order. And I also think it's great to let things go that don't serve you, whether that's clothes, toxic friendships, or bad habits. It's always a good thing to kind of reorganize and refresh your life. So let's just get into the video. Now we are all up close and personal in my closet. To be honest, this closet space is a lot smaller than any other I've had in any of my last like 6 apartments. And so I've been having a real hard time fitting everything. Everything is pretty stuffed in here. It's just very unorganized, and I want that to not be a thing anymore. And obviously a big part of that is getting rid of a bunch of stuff, especially stuff I don't wear. So basically the first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of go through everything in my closet and do an initial yes, no, or maybe. So I'm gonna do my initial run through and see if I can get rid of some stuff. I bought this from H&M last year and I like it. I haven't really worn it that much. It is a little bit sweatery type of material, so I feel like this is more of a fall / winter piece. So I think this might be a maybe. I bought this from Target a while ago. I literally never wear it. It's a really cute shirt, but I don't wear it, so we're gonna get rid of that. So many ASU shirts in my closet. Shout out ASU Online. Don't really wear them that much, but I think it's because they're hidden. These would be great like workout tops, so I am gonna keep these, but I think I might put them in a different spot where I can see them better. This is a top that I've had for a few years. It is in theory a really cute top. I just don't really wear it that much. So it'd be great for the office if you did work in a more corporate space, because it is just like a nice top. But I can wear literally whatever I want in the office at my work, so I never wear stuff like this at all, and it's just not really my style anymore.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down. Don't try to fix my...
I bought this t-shirt at a really cool thrift store on Melrose in LA when I lived there. I never wear it, but it is pretty cool. I don't know, maybe I should just get rid of it. I do have a hard time parting with things like this because it's just like a memory is attached to it, you know what I mean? And this does remind me of like living in LA. I used to style it so like 2016 with like a bandana and a big chunky silver necklace. It's the end of an era. It's going in the no pile. So this is something I actually got from a thrift store, and it's a really nice top. It's an American rag top. Maybe I should just keep it and wear it. I don't think I've worn it more than once because it's kind of see-through and I really hate that, but it's such a nice top. So I think I am gonna maybe keep this. I'll put this in the maybe pile. My good old blogging shirt. I got this from Forever 21 a few years ago, again, when I was living in LA. I have a really iconic picture on my Instagram in Venice Beach in this top, and I love it, but I don't wear it anymore, so we're gonna get rid of it. Something I've come to realize is pink is not my favorite. I don't really like wearing pink. I don't think it's my color. I don't know why I bought this top in the first place. It's a cute top, I don't wear it, so that is also something we're gonna get rid of. I feel like my style has evolved so much in the last like 2-3 years. I really like, more muted tones, more neutrals and nudes. Maybe that's just me getting older. I do have a few statement pieces and a few colors that I really do like to wear, but for some reason like pink is just not it anymore. Okay, funniest story about this. This actually was a dress. Yeah, this was a dress. I accidentally shrunk it in the wash, so that's kind of disappointing because I really loved this, but I've been wearing it as a top kind of for the last 1.5 years, and it's cute, but I think it's time we part ways. Again, I bought this shirt when I lived in LA. I wore it all the time. I have a specific like vivid memory wearing this ice skating. But I think it's time we let it go. It's just been a few years. I think it's out of style. It's not really my style anymore, but I do love this color. So I think we're gonna part ways. This is my ex's. Awkward. Okay, something else that I've had for literally 1,000 years is this. It's such a cute romper, and I actually have worn this recently, but I noticed there's a big hole in the side of it. So I got this at Ross, I think in 2014 for like $10, but it has, you know, it's had its time and now it is time to go. My good old juicy jacket. I have not worn this in over a year, but it's so iconic. I got this from Urban Outfitters a few years ago when they did that whole Juicy collection and everyone went nuts and bought it. Like literally everyone had this sweatshirt. So I think I might get rid of it. I really haven't worn it in over a year. So I think it's time we part ways, even though I love you, my Juicy jacket. This is an absolute disaster. Oh my gosh. Wow. But I am getting rid of all of these clothes, which is so good. There's so much. So I am officially done with my closet. It looks incredible. It looks so put together. Everything is way more organized. So I'm just gonna quick show you how I organized my closet for easiest access and in a way that really makes sense. So starting over here, I just put all of my tank tops, workout tops, crop tops, and then we have bodysuits and long sleeve crop tops. Then here we just have all my t-shirts and some workout tops, and then a little bit nicer of top, and then I have some nice long sleeve tops that I'll still probably wear, you know, just kind of like over tank tops and crop tops and stuff like that. And then I have a few pairs of pants that are nicer that I like to hang up. And then we have dresses and rompers and jumpsuits. And then here I have my blazers and jackets and all of my sweatshirts. And I actually have so much more room right here. So these are just some nicer dresses that I have and some robes, and those are nice and over there. And now this thing doesn't look so cluttered, so I actually think I'm gonna end up keeping this drawer thing in my closet. I think it looks really nice and put together, and everything just looks so much more clean. And then up at the top, I did change a few things. I put all of my boots up here, and then I put all of my sandals here and some of my heels, and then all of those boxes and stuff I had originally I put up here. So this is kind of like my storage space. And originally my purses were actually up in this corner, but I moved them down here so that I can reach them better. These are purses that, you know, I take for going out or stuff that's a little bit less expensive, and then my nicer purses I like to hang in my room. And then over here I just have all of my extra hangers, which is so many, and my laundry, which I have to do. I always have so much laundry. And then these are actually storage bins full of product. I kind of want to do a giveaway soon. A lot of this was gifted to me, and then I have like a heated blanket and stuff like that. My apartment actually doesn't have very great storage, so this was essential for me, and honestly I'm super happy with how everything turned out.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for helping me declutter my life. Hopefully it inspires you to get with it, declutter your life, throw out things that no longer serve you. Even if it's just clothing, you know, it can make a really big difference in your motivation and your mood. So I'm really happy that I did this today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every single Wednesday. And yeah, that's it for today, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.